Hey super foodies, today we're going to be making a hearty red soup. So you need to start with one red small onion and chop it up. It doesn't have to be super small or neat. Next we're going to confit some garlic. So I did this by adding a whole bowl of garlic to my air fryer with some olive oil, and I baked it for 15 minutes. Next we are going to do the veg. So I added one red, green and yellow pepper to a saucepan, all chopped up again, and a pack of red cherry tomatoes. Ooh. I'm just checking the garlic here, and it needed a little bit more oil, so I just put that in. So next we're going to cover the veg and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium to high heat, but make sure you guys stir it in between because we haven't added any water yet, so we don't want it to burn on the bottom. Right, just giving it a check. And we're going to cover again. Once the 10 minutes is up, we're going to stir all the veg and we're going to mash it with the back of our spoon, and that's going to release all of the water from the veg, and it's going to reduce the volume of the vegetables in the saucepan, so we've got room to add more things. So you can see the water start to come up in the back, the bubbles. And it should look something like this. Next we're going to add the garlic. When I cooked the garlic, I kept it in the peel, so I'm just here pushing the garlic out of the peel. Next we're going to add 200 grams of red lentils and stir this really well. Make sure that it's really well mixed into the water and the veg. It should start to look something like this. So next we're going to have one veg stock cube, 3 teaspoons of basil, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoons paprika, some ground black pepper to taste, however much you guys want to put, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it all well together. And then next we're going to cook it again for another 10 minutes on a medium to high heat. Just make sure that you stir it again in between so that it doesn't stick together. And also we haven't added any water yet, so we need to make sure that the liquid inside doesn't evaporate. Add 400 ml of water now. And we're going to mix it all, and then we're going to use a hand blender to blend it together. So this is why I said the veg didn't need to be chopped up well, because we were going to blend it anyway. And it should look something like this. Next we're going to add rice, but I added raw rice, add cooked rice. This was a really bad idea. And yeah, please measure out 150 grams of rice, cook it, and then add it to the soup. You guys will be able to see what I did. I covered it and I attempted to cook it. Yeah, it took ages. I think it took 45 minutes to cook. And you can see that it's just bubbling like crazy, making a mess everywhere. It was an interesting experience. So you can see here the rice is still raw. And like I said, it took me 45 minutes to cook. There wasn't enough liquid in it for it to cook properly because of all the veg in there. So make sure you, like I say, cook it, then add it. But yeah, I'm not a pro and we're learning here together. So there's my lesson learned. I made the mistake so you guys don't need to. Et voila, it's ready to serve and I'm ready to taste it. There we go, tasting time. It was so hot. but it tastes so good. This one's for you here, M4G. You wanted me to taste it on camera. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more of these videos and to be notified of more recipes and restaurant reviews. Again, really hot, but I can't stop eating it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.